whites and colors. Like that's what I want near me. Like blues, greens. But then I think I have a lot of black clothing. So if I really do need a section, then that will be the dark.
So keep that dark.
Yeah, because I think I have way too many. I don't think I'll be able to stuff them all in a... I don't know where else to hide them.
Okay, so you just want to put like light
If I could, I would like to fold the blacks up in a shelf.
Okay. You want to fold the black ones, you know, put them like that?
Yeah, because
Okay.
I think it looks kind of, bold. But then when they're like just like a floppy black garment, it just absorbs way too. It creates like a shadow. Yeah, I don't want like that much of it to be
Okay.
like absorbing all the light. Yeah.
We can put that stuff together.
And we could move boxes probably. I think that area where we ended up using some of the tile, I wouldn't mind these boxes going outside.
These boxes?
Yeah.
What was inside?
I don't know. We can check those boxes,
Your
but
shoes, Jen. Your shoes.
okay, the shoes can go in the shoe closet. I have 2 shoe closets. I've been looking for shoes. Thanks for letting me know. I'm like, where did the new shoes go? Okay.
There's another one there.
Yeah. Shoe closet. I have 3 shoe closets.
Where's the shoe closets?
You created one, the rolling shoe closet, and the kitchen shoe shelf. This one, shoe hanging closet.
The hanging closet.
What is it called? A linen closet. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Unless we filled it up, but I don't think we filled it up yet. Yeah. Hey, I want some of your select. Thank you. Oh. I know that's nice, but I want slightly warm. Hello, Teddy Bird. How are you? You're so sweet. He's singing. Hi. So loud. Uh-huh. Chopsy. Chirpy started a trend. Chirpy's just so cute that everybody's watching now. Oh, you don't like me? Okay, I'll get it. Oh, all right. That one's mad. That one's mad. All right. Okay, we're coming to you guys. Hello, Birdie.
Hold your foot.
Okay.
She's gonna collapse right now.
You scared? Hello, Birdie. Hello. Are you running away? Oh my. Oh, where are you guys going? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, hi. Are you scared too? Hi. You're adorable. Okay. Now we got all of you guys in a row. Oh, she's so mean. She's like, get out of here. Well,